Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to see what you can do if your Infinity Nikki mobile application is not working. So first of all, you can try restarting your phone if that fixes the problem, and you can also wait a bit until you open it again to see if it works. If that doesn't work, or if you want a solution at the moment, then what you can do is first of all you will check your Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi connection is weak, or if there is any issue, or if it's anything interfering with either your phone or the application, it won't work. So just make sure that the connection is strong and there's nothing interfering with your phone because of which the application is not working. The second solution would be, as you can see right here, you can go to your settings, and on the applications you can go to Infinity Nikki. Otherwise you can also just long press on the app icon, and once you do that you will see app info, which you'll press on. Once you press on app info, this is what you'll see right here, and you'll just go through this, and on the bottom right you'll see force stop. What this basically does is it essentially refreshes the entire application in a way, and this usually works if any of your applications isn't working. So what you'll do is you'll just simply press on force stop, confirm it, and then wait for around 10 to 15 seconds to open it. After that, you'll open it and it should work. Now, if that still doesn't work, you'll go to storage right here in the usage option. Once you're in the usage option, you'll see this, and at the bottom right corner, you'll go on clear cache. And what you'll do is you'll press on clear cache. What this does is it also in a way refreshes the application, and it takes out any errors, just like the force stop, as the force stop takes out any potential errors that are dealing with Infinity Nikki right now, due to which it's not working. And then essentially your application should work. And your final solution would be uninstalling and reinstalling the application, and also you can try refreshing your phone again. So just uninstall and reinstall your application, since it could be a technical glitch or something. If none of these work, then you can just wait for a few hours, wait for the next day, just wait for a bit until you open it again, and then it should work.